Evening Witbankers. It's 10 o'clock in the morning, the 15th of June. Currently standing on the N12 direction Witbank at the R555 Ogies Blackhill off ramp. This is the current situation on the N12 as two trucks have collided. One is a tanker that has exploded. So please be patient, please drive safely. As you can see, traffic is congested, backed up. Please drive to arrive. We strive to save lives. Good morning, Witbankers. Currently standing on the N12, Ogies Polo off-ramp direction, Witbank to the R555 Ogies Blackhill off-ramp. As you can see, a tanker was involved in an accident and has exploded. So please look for alternative routes coming towards Witbank as the highway is currently closed and traffic is backed up on the opposite direction to Witbank. Please drive safely. We strive to save lives. Drive alive.